What is the market looking at? Are they worried about a double-dip recession because of these extra restrictions on the economy, or do they just look at earnings and hope for the best when it comes to a stimulus in the U.S.?
I think the uptake in the virus, and it's looking much more likely that we're going to have soft forms of lockdowns, maybe not the full lockdowns we had in the spring. And it's really hard to see how you avoid a double-dip recession in Europe. So the U.S. hasn't gone that way necessarily yet. The U.K. is doing half measures, but the services part of the economy is a big part of the economy everywhere in the developed world, and services have been hit hard. And I think it's been going in that direction for several weeks, but it started to hit home, I think, a little bit over the last few days.
Patrick, is this on the assumption that we get a second lockdown? I mean, every single European government, Italy, France, and others said we will not go into a lockdown. And of course, the options are now narrowing, and this is where we're headed. How can they mitigate it? Can we afford to mitigate it?
I don't know which way the political winds will blow. The strategy they're using right now is as hospitals fill, lockdowns is what the playbook was in Q1. I don't think they're going to deviate from it necessarily. So we've got softer measures in place that are designed to slow the spread of it. It does seem to be in Europe, the strategy will be initiating lockdowns if needed, and the path of new cases and hospitalizations is moving that direction.